and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is June 18th, 2023, and we're in the third greenhouse here. Our cucumber crop is ready to harvest. We have some here, and we have more over here, on this side over here. So we're going to be getting these harvested today. I've been in here cutting flowers. You can see all the flowers I got then. But these here are the tender green burpless cucumbers, and I have nice, clean, sharp pruning shears here. Just cutting right there. And we have our cucumbers here. These are really sweet. I've never had a bitter tender green burpless cucumber, so that's the only cucumber variety that I actually grow. And it is kind of hard to step through here. So we have more cucumbers over here, and I'm just going to harvest these here. Uh-oh, white fly. Now these here they don't have the spines on them like a lot of your other cucumbers have, and they have like a nice smooth flesh to them, and they have like a tender skin on them, but they're great for eating fresh. They're great for pickling. Do you want that one back there?
Not yet.
Not yet? Okay. Excuse me here. Grab these here. See, I thought I saw another one here. Yeah. We're going to let that one go bigger. You got to watch. These will wrap around your plants, so I'm just going to cut that off there. I don't want it to wrap around this and choke these, because it actually will. Oh, sorry. Move all this stuff. And we try and keep our cucumber plants moist, and we try not to water the leaves at night because we don't want any powdery mildew. These do have some spots in the leaves.
I actually came off the greenhouse plastic.
Oh, okay.
Crazy ladybug falling on that thing up there. On the fan.
Here's your. Oops. This one here wrapped itself around there. Oh boy, come on. Here. Oh. So this is what we got so far off, and we did take a few other ones off for eating. Now, how you can tell the difference between the flowers on your cucumber plants, I do have a video on my channel for how to hand pollinate your cucumbers if you choose to. This here is the male flower here. You can see it just has the stem on the back of it. So this one here is the female flower, because you can see it has a little cucumber on the end there. So that's how you can tell the difference between your cucumber flowers. And that works the same way for your squash, your watermelons, your zucchinis. The female flowers will always have the fruit on the end of them, and the male flowers will just be connected to the stem. So we do still have to water these here, but wanted to get the cucumbers harvested off. The more you take your cucumbers, they will continue to give. If you let them get real big, they can slow them down or can even stop them from giving. So we're going to get these here made into pickles, and we've been eating some in salads. You can see out here what I harvested out of here today. You can see here what I harvested off of here out of the greenhouse. The bucket's really full, so I have to get this taken down. But I just wanted to show you the cucumber harvest here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. That'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.